Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create AI-generated videos using HeyGen, an innovative platform that lets you create studio-quality videos without the need for cameras or scripts. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketer, HeyGen provides an easy-to-use solution for creating videos that engage your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So, what exactly is HeyGen? HeyGen is a cutting-edge AI-powered video creation platform. It allows you to convert text or even images into talking avatars in a matter of minutes. And the best part? It supports over 170 languages, so you can create content for a global audience with ease. Let's dive into some of the standout features of HeyGen. AI-generated avatars. Choose from a variety of avatars to bring your script to life. Multi-language support. With over 170 languages, you can create content in any language your audience speaks. Easy customization. Personalize the avatar's appearance and voice to fit your brand or style. Emotionally engaging videos. HeyGen doesn't just generate speech, it makes sure the avatars convey emotion, enhancing the viewer experience. Now, let's walk through how to actually create a video on HeyGen. It's simple, quick, and fun. Here's how you do it. First, go to heygen.com and log in with your Gmail account. You have so many options to choose. For example, create a video, translate a video, or you can generate a script for the video and many more. For this video, I am creating a video using AI, so I choose Create a Video. A new page opens. You can select avatar as you like, or you can create a new avatar. After selecting, click on the text field and type your script to generate video. For this video, I am typing some script. You can also add scenes, as many as you want. Now you can choose audio format. Or if you want to add some pause, you can do that as well. And you can also change the background for your video. After completing all the changes, simply click on the Generate button. Your video gets generated. Generating a video can take up to 5 minutes or more. To sum it up, HeyGen is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create AI-powered videos effortlessly. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, it has everything you need to produce engaging professional content. So, why not give it a try? Head over to HeyGen's website, sign up for a free account, and start creating your own AI-generated videos today. Once the video gets generated, click on the video to see the preview of it. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on the Download button. Your video gets downloaded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.